अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं मरीना ख़ान और आप लोगों को बस एक छोटी सी इन्फॉर्मेशन देनी है कि मैं किसी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पे नहीं हूँ। तो जितने भी अकाउंट्स या चीज़ें आपको नज़र आती हैं वो जाली हैं, लेकिन रिवाइंड विद समीना पीरज़ादा उस शो पे मैं हूँ, तो वो ज़रूर देखिएगा। और वो जो सारी चीज़ें होती हैं वो सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, बटन, बेल, वो सारा कुछ करें। थैंक यू।
What did it do for you? तन्हाइयाँ and धूप किनारे, उसने क्या किया for you as a person?
मेरी प्राइवेट लाइफ मुझसे छीन ली। मीनिंग बहरोज मुझे मिले थे कि आयशा और मैं, हम गए हुए थे पान खाने शाम को, ओके फ्री, इधर घूमे उधर घूमे। बहरोज मिला, कहता है बेटा एंजॉय कर लो, कल तुम्हारी जिंदगी चेंज होने वाली। मैंने कहा हाँ कह रहा है। ऐसी चेंज हुई है कि ये आपकी जिंदगी आपकी खत्म हो जाती है ना। इट्स नॉट योर लाइफ एनी मोर।
आप खुल के आइसक्रीम नहीं खा सकते, पान नहीं चबा सकते,
इनिशियली कुछ नहीं कर सकते।
आप अपने नाइट सूट में बाहर नहीं निकल सकते हैं।
इतवार बाजार, जुमा बाजार जाना, it was like I used to love going there. The first time I went after तन्हाइयाँ, it was a nightmare. भागी हूँ मैं वहाँ से। मैं आई थिंक 5-6 साल के लिए नहीं गई। फिर मैंने सोचा कि नहीं, ये मैं नहीं कर सकती। You can't stay away, you just can't. So then I slowly started going out and but initially ज़रा डर लगता था। लेकिन एक और चीज़ थी, जब हम like I said एक फैमिली बन जाती थी, तो शुरू में जब even after it finished we all used to go out as a group. तो when you go out as a group तो ज़रा सा एडबेर रहता है, लेकिन आप अकेले जाएं with friends who are not part of the industry, it becomes a nightmare at that time.
और अब तो उस वक्त तो खैर शुक्र है मोबाइल फोन्स नहीं थे, लेकिन अब तो बहुत ही मुश्किल काम है कि आप
अब तो खैर आपको बहुत केयरफुल होना होता है कि जब आप बाहर जाते हैं क्या कह रहे हैं, क्यों। लेकिन उस टाइम पे क्या था कि बिकॉज एक्सेसिबिलिटी नहीं थी, तो व्हेन समवन वुड सी यू, इट वाज, आई रिमेंबर हम लोग शारजा के मैच में गए हुए थे, शनाज, माई सेल्फ, शकील एंड लैला जुबैरी। तो हम लोग निकले स्टेडियम से और हम गाड़ी में बैठे एंड विद इन सेकेंड्स वो गाड़ी फ्रॉम डे लाइट अंधेरा हो गया था, बिकॉज इतने लोग आ गए। एक तो एक्सपैट, आई मीन इट वाज स्कैरी। मैं तो ऐसे बैठी हुई थी और गाड़ी हिल रही थी, सो देन वहाँ शुरता आया करके उनको, बट इट वाज सो स्कैरी। तो वो उस किस्म की जो फ़ैन फॉलोइंग थी, बिकॉज कैसे ना कि अब थोड़ा सा लगता है कि लोगों को आदत भी हो गई है कराची में, दे सी अ लॉट ऑफ स्टार्स एंड but yeah, people like Mahira and Fawad and all these people, the Humayun, I'm sure they get it. हम तो खैर तो has-beens हो गए।
Not at all, absolutely. I don't know.
It's like अच्छा हाँ अच्छा।
It's amazing कि आप जाएं YouTube पे तो सबसे पहली चीज़ आपको क्या दिखती है? The moment you put it on, is धूप किनारे। तो ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई नहीं, it's there, it's very much there, So and staring at you and reminding you that you are absolutely there.
You're still alive.
Yes.
तो शादी के लिए I had to move out of the house. I went to my friend's house, Banu's house. वहाँ से मेरी शादी हुई थी।
अच्छा, तो डायरेक्शन किस तरह आई? I mean ये
डायरेक्शन आई थिंक शहजाद साहब को देखते कि बिकॉज आई थिंक मुझे वो साइड बहुत इंटरेस्ट, अगेन खैर एक्टिंग इज ऑल्सो क्रिएटिव, बट समहाउ डायरेक्शन में आप फ्रॉम द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ राइटिंग से आप शुरू इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं ना, टिल द एंड एडिट तक। सो वो आप कॉन्स्टेंटली रिक्रिएट कर रहे हैं। और एक दफ़ा मैंने करना चाह रही थी, अपने पैसे जमा किए, एक प्ले किया, उसके बाद से मैंने कहा बस यही है काम।
You enjoyed it.
Love it, absolutely love it. मुझे बहुत पसंद है।
तो क्या प्रोसेस उसका लिखना और उसके
नहीं
राइटर्स के साथ बैठना, वो सारा जो प्रोसेस है, you enjoy that?
I enjoy that. Even
and creating those characters.
Characters, molding them. क्या कहते हैं, again then characters bring so much onto your actors, bring so much onto, फिर जो edit पे जब आप बैठते हो ना, वहाँ जो मज़ा आता है ना, and you're putting it all together.
अच्छा, जब ये जो नाइटमेयर्स होती थी, so when you became an actor, did they resurface?
नहीं,
They never came back.
No.
Because उसका stress होता है ना character play करने का when you're acting.
नहीं, somehow वो उस वक्त नहीं था.
गायब हो गया सब कुछ.
I think also जब आप काम कर रहे होते हो ना तो आप by the time घर आते हो आप थके हुए होते हो. The body is, you know, it's more when you are in a real state, because that's not a stressful situation from the point of view कि आप you know like जैसे मैं जब कुचू के साथ involved थी तो my parents didn't agree with it, so that's a stressful situation.
वो वक्त stressful था.
वो था because obviously you know my parents, I was very close to them, और उनका ना होना और you know तो वो सारी चीजें. लेकिन
किसने propose किया था? You proposed?
मैंने.
You proposed? Oh, what fun!
I was studying. I was in England. तो I had come back on one of the thing. तो हमने ये decide किया हुआ था कि while we are apart, तो ना वो किसी को देखेगा ना, you know, I'm not going to meet anyone. You know, meaning we committed to each other. मैंने कहा अगर commitment की हुई तो शादी भी कर लेते हैं. तो कहता अच्छा ठीक है कर लेते हैं. तो it was basically.
And then you went to your parents and said कि मैंने अब सोच लिया है.
मैंने सोच लिया है. मैंने कहा
मैंने ढूंढ लिया है.
हाँ, तो वो एक जालिम माँ बन गई है.
थोड़ी. तो फिर कितना टाइम लगा उनको convince करने में?
वो शादी के बाद. I think after I got married, my father, you know, being a Pathan and all, everyone said, oh, you must have been your father. No, it was not. My father वो बहुत practical आदमी था. तो उसने जब एक दफ़ा देख लिया कि इसने तो decide कर लिया है, अम्मा ने बात करना छोड़ दिया था मुझसे for about 2 weeks. और तो शादी के लिए I had to move out of the house. I went to my friend's house, बानो's house. वहाँ से मेरी शादी हुई थी. तो लेकिन अब्बा जो थे उन्होंने वो प्रैक्टिकल मोड में आ गए. कहाँ रहोगी, गाड़ी तुम ले जाओ, यू नो, फिर इट वाज अबाउट लिविंग हर लाइफ. और आई थिंक अगर अम्मा इतना ज़्यादा, बिकॉज अम्मा ने भी यही किया था, शी वाज, माय मदर वाज इंग्लिश, सो व्हेन शी मैरिड माय फादर, माय ग्रैंडफादर डिडंट स्पीक टू हर फॉर 6 months. सो आई थिंक वो उनके माइंड में वो एक कहानी रिप्ले हो रही थी. बट Daddy didn't react as initially. तो it was like यार क्या मतलब है, ख़त्म करो. अच्छा ख़त्म हो गई बात. मैंने कहा डैडी नहीं ख़त्म नहीं हुई. Every day it come down. Okay, is it over now? I said no dad, it's not over. तो अगर अम्मी इतना ना अगेंस्ट होती तो डैडी शायद निकाह पे आ जाते. He would have come to the शादी, but he didn't. So then after we got married, Kuchu got very ill. No. Shehzad Saab died a week after, and I spoke to Mummy for the first time after her silent period, because she was also very close to Shehzad Saab. So that और मेरे लिए तो it was like, you know, मैं कहती हूँ कि even when he was alive he did so much for me, because my life was totally molded because of him. I mean, I think Shehzad Saab अगर मेरी ज़िंदगी में ना आते तो I don't know what I would have been doing right now. मैंने कहा in his death also he did something good for me, and he reunited me and my mum. And we spoke for the first time, went to the house. But by that time, Kuchu थोड़े से, sorry, I call my husband Kuchu. We all call, everyone calls him Kuchu.
नहीं, इसीलिए मुझे मुश्किल हो रहा था
to जलील.
क्योंकि I wanted to tell everybody कि जलील and then Kuchu, because you, because he's so adorable and lovable. So Kuchu.
Absolutely. Kuchu. तो तब Kuchu को ज़रा सा फील हुआ कि नहीं, आई एम नॉट रेडी टू मीट दम नाउ. सो उसकी वजह से भी, यू नो, जो हमारी आई थिंक बहुत पहले से हो जाता, इट वुड हैव बीन ओके आफ्टर दैट. सो आफ्टर आई थिंक शहजाद साहब passed away, I think then Kuchu got very sick. He was in hospital for a while, and then I think it took a couple of months. But mummy और डैडी से मेरी फिर बातचीत शुरू हुई. मेरी डैडी से तो थी, but I would go and see daddy, and mommy she would come and sit in the room, but she wouldn't talk to me. But she wanted to know what was happening. I know that.
It's amazing, है ना?
It's very strange.
And then he must have become her favorite.
Absolutely.
This is what happens, you know.
और मुझे पता था, because मैं कुचू का nature था, because you know she didn't even allow herself to. But in the, you know, when she got sick, she wrote a letter to Kuchu saying what she wants done on her funeral, where she wants to be buried. You know, she wrote to Kuchu. She didn't write to any of us. She sent him an email, and then we followed the instructions of what she wanted to do. So you know, that was the thing.
What happened to her?
Mom, she got cancer.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Dreadful disease.
I know, and it is, and it's amazing कि अब इतना कुछ हो रहा है, but they're not finding the cure. जबकि it's in a cell, you know, it's there,
Yeah,
and I think,
and apparently we all have the cell.
and we all have the cell.
That's why you have to stay away from sugar.
Sugar. Yeah.
So she initially got lung cancer, which we thought was because of the smoking, लेकिन it had nothing to do with smoking. तो वो बहुत अच्छा contain हो गया था. डॉक्टर नेहाल, God bless him, एक गोली निकली है टार्सिवा के नाम से निकली थी, which was, I think in Japan they experimented on Asian women with that particular type of cancer. And it was like a chemotherapy, but you know, like she didn't lose her hair or anything. It was just the pills she took. But then the smoking got her, which was stomach. She got that. फिर वो जो उसके बाद से then it was you know, that was the killer, I would say. You know, it was. So she was living with it for a good 4 years, which was the. And then when the stomach thing came into it, then uske baad, you know, the deterioration was, because once it goes into the bone and. But I was very lucky. I was with her the entire time. You know, I think that's something I'll always be grateful for not having children, because I think women who have children and run a household, कितना मुश्किल हो जाता है. लेकिन you know, my husband was very understanding, and daddy, when he was, you know, when he was leaving us, he was in hospital for almost a month. I would go every day and I'd be there from the morning till evening. So I just am so grateful for not having children. I mean, I had that time to spend with them, you know. So no regrets.
Were you able to say that you love them? You know, talk to them and say whatever you felt like, and when you were spending that money, that time.
At that
time when you're spending time with them in the hospital.
हाँ, आप एक different mode में आ जाते हो ना. Again, daddy being in the Air Force and all, जब वो अपने semi coma से निकले, because he was in a semi coma for, you know, तो सबसे पहले मुझे उन्होंने देखा, उन्होंने कहा कि why am I here? So I said, Dad, you know, no, but I should be dead. You know, in his mind, he knew that this was the time to go, you know, and he should not be, you know. So I said, Dad, that's not in my control. He said, why'd you let me leave? You know, he was asking, and then he was in what he was dreaming in his thing was being a prisoner of war camp, because you know, when you're in a semi coma, your body is still moving, so they have to tie you down sometimes because आप tubes निकाल रहे होते हैं. Then उनका pace में तो उसके लिए then we had to obviously send him for that. When he came out of that anesthesia, he looked at me and says, "You've let me down." I said, he said, "You didn't let me down." I said, "Dad, what are you talking about? It's not in my control."
He had actually prepared. His brain had prepared.
Yeah, even when he went to the doctor for the checkup, he says, "मैं तो borrowed time पे मुझे नहीं होना चाहिए यहाँ. I shouldn't technically be here."
So he actually had, वो वहाँ चले गए थे जहाँ उन्होंने जाना था.
So he was very upset that
Did he talk about it?
No.
No.
He because you know, it's amazing ना कि आप एक महीने के लिए आप सेमी को, he had to, you know, speaking, swallowing, ये जो सारी आपकी जो movements होती हैं वो सारा आपको वो करना होता है, learn. You can't just start eating and drinking because आपके muscles जो होते हैं ना वो बिल्कुल पता नहीं किसी mode में चले जाते हैं. So there was not too much of talking, and then I think the brain was slightly damaged. So but one tried to keep it as active as possible. जब भी घर आते थे, he would be fine. So I think the last time when we brought him home, I had asked the doctor, because you know, by that उनका क्या हुआ था कि उनका बस, I think it was just old age and the body functions just you know एक करके they were shutting down. So I asked the doctor and I said, he's saying, you know, I said he wants to go home. He says, take him home. So मेरा बस fear था कि when the time comes, will he be in pain? Will he not, you know, because obviously आप जब death का सोचते हैं तो आप सांस का सोचते हैं. He says no, his brain is in a semi coma. He goes into a semi coma, so they don't feel anything. So the beauty with Daddy was that everyone was home. Even his, you know, my niece Iman, they were visiting from Canada. everyone was around him, and my brother was panicking a little bit, but I knew there was no point of taking him to the hospital. Yeah, he would have gone in the ambulance, or there was no point.
And then the comfort of everybody around.
Yes. So I was constantly with him, telling him, just let it go. And the BP was just going, wo jo unka jo hota hai pata nahi kya. But I was, it was just wonderful that we were just sitting around him and he was there with us. There was no panic, there was nothing, no one rushing, and hota na ke and the opposite. And because we'd been through this with my mom, I didn't even see the signs. She Sweeta called me, and she was the lady who looked after, God bless her, looked after my mother. She called me and says कि वो उनको सांस, and at that time she had also, mummy के तो I knew there was a month, maximum 2 weeks, 3 weeks left. So she called me and said कि सांस उनका, and it was very similar to what was happening with daddy, but I just never thought of it, it just didn't occur to me. So we got her in control, and I asked my husband, I said, should we take her to the hospital, what should we do? And while we were just discussing, she passed away. So we were in the room, but Zarak was in Canada, everyone was, so it was, this is life.
Did she ever talk to you about कि मैं तुमसे नाराज थी और बात नहीं कर रही थी और?
Yeah, we made up peace.
Achha, you made up.
We made up peace.
No, but discussing it.
Well, the thing is that I didn't know, if she wanted to talk about it, I would have allowed her. But I remember when we moved into this house, which we've now bought, so I was showing her around, so she broke down when that happened. And she hugged me and she said she's very sorry. And I said, no way. Because देखिए मेरे दिल में ये था कि माँ बाप का रिश्ता कभी नहीं टूट सकता. जो भी आप करें, मियाँ बीवी का रिश्ता टूट सकता है, लेकिन माँ बाप का वो कहीं ना कहीं जाके कहीं ना कहीं they would be with me. And I knew that this was just a temporary phase, because I had that much faith.
And you had faith in Kuchu, exactly.
Yeah, I had that much faith.
You will fall in love with him. Just wait.
Yeah. So she at that time we had our moment, and there was nothing. देखिए हम बस जो चीज़ जो आई थिंक नहीं समझते कि पेरेंट्स एक डिफरेंट एरा में पले बड़े, हम डिफरेंट एरा में, हमारे बच्चे डिफरेंट एरा में. मीनिंग कल आई थिंक आई थॉट कि मैं अपने बच्चे को सब कुछ माफ़ कर दूँ एक्सेप्ट गोइंग ऑन ड्रग्स इफ़ आई हैड. ड्रग्स टू मी इज़ द बेस्ट. अदरवाइज ज़िंदगी गुजारो जो भी पसंद हो, कैसे भी पसंद हो. मीनिंग किसी से शादी करनी है बिकॉज आपने अपनी मिस्टेक्स करनी है. And when I was marrying Kuchu, that's what I said. I said, Mom, let me make my mistake. आपने आज कह दिया, मैंने आपकी बात मान ली, और पूरी जिंदगी में रिग्रेट करती रहूंगी कि मैंने क्यों नहीं शादी की.
That's amazing. कि Marina would move from one to the other and lose interest and then move on and say ठीक है. But for Kuchu, you put up a solid. That's amazing. That's amazing. And because I think you realize that this is it. This is where I stop.
Yeah.
This is where a new life begins.
Yeah. And also I think he खैर कहना नहीं चाहिए. I think everyone is लेकिन वो मेरा मियाँ मैं कह सकती हूँ. He's a little rare, he's a very solid guy, he's I mean आप देखें कि मैंने अपनी लाइफ ना मैंने उसको कहा कि तुमने ये करना ना, थोड़ी बहुत एडजस्टमेंट्स होते हैं, but I lived my life. I've been living my life and he's been living his life. मैं
and he married such a big star.
Yeah. So it was never a problem for him. I mean, कभी कितने शादी के कार्ड्स आए, Mr. and Mrs. Marina Khan, कितने कार्ड्स आए. These things never bothered him. He never had an ego. हमारे जो एक इतना bloated और घमंड और ego होता है ना, वो नहीं था.
और फिर ऐसा भी होता है कि एकदम से लोग आपके पास आ गए. And your husband is waiting. Waiting for you to sign all the autographs and take the pictures.
Exactly.
And then he's waiting. I know this is rare and this is so special.
It is.
And needs to be celebrated. So,
So I think that is what I really saw that, and
Yeah, and he loves animals.
Yeah, and he liked it. Yeah,
and my God,
I mean, I was
now how many cats do you have?
6.
And dogs?
Dogs nahi. We
dogs
lost
चले गए सारे.
dogs.
Okay,
but cats again, I was introduced to cats because of him. Otherwise, I was
no, you were a dog lover.
Total dog person.
Have you understood what life is?
Life. Do you remember that song? Life is to live, enjoy, everybody. Do you remember that? Kiska tha wo? It was one of those club numbers. Life is to live, enjoy. So I think that's what life is. I think you need to live it. You need to, I think, जो चीज़ हम भूल जाते हैं कि we can die tomorrow, we can die any minute, and हम बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेट कर देते हैं. मैं खुद करती हूँ. I mean, we all do it. और अगर यही चीज़ हम सोचें कि भाई what if I just go tomorrow, मैं इस मूड में जाना चाहती हूँ, उससे लड़ाई की भी, इससे लड़ाई की भी, उससे बात नहीं कर रहा, कोई कुछ हुआ है, I'm angry, you know, it's just something.
Do you forgive easily?
I think I do, but मैं थोड़ा सा रखती हूँ दिल में, because मैं बात नहीं करती. Kuchu is a talker. वो I think he doesn't. I think he believes in that concept के सोने से पहले there should be nothing kept inside. मैं थोड़ा सा रखती हूँ. Because I don't want to. It's more like I don't want to say it because maybe I'll hurt someone's feeling, or अगर मैं बोल लूँ तो I don't know. मैं थोड़ा सा.
Sorry कह लेते हो?
बहुत मुश्किल से.
अंदर रख लेते हो बस.
Stubborn. I'm like my father. Very stubborn.
Okay.
My father could never say.
So then how does it come out? अगर अंदर रखते हो so.
It time से निकलता है.
Time से. You won't confront it? अगर आहिस्ता खुद ही. अच्छा.
I'll be a little upset, and I think he knows if I'm a little upset about something. Or जैसे I was telling Zuhair about this bane of my existence was the kitchen जो हम कर रहे थे. तो मैंने कहा throughout that whole process मैंने कहा Kuchu kept me sane because otherwise I was like the most painful process of my life.
So what क्या होता है? Are you nervous before something new starts? You have the butterflies and.
Yeah. Even when I.
Are you a perfectionist?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know if I am. I'd like things to be perfect. You know, I'd like things to be the way I want them to be, but that's living in a dream world, right? So maybe I am. Maybe I want to, but I don't live like a perfectionist. I mean, my कमरा अगर आप देखें कभी-कभी, it's like a battlefield. So, but maybe I
in the mind maybe you would prefer कि हर चीज़ organized हो, है ना, cue sheets हो और ये हो और वो हो और है ना.
I like to be very organized when I'm directing. I don't like haphazardness. कि वो जो एक टाइम पे हुआ था कि लेट आ रहे हैं और ये वो मुझसे नहीं बर्दाश्त होता. बिकॉज फिर आपकी टाइमलाइन आउट हो जाती है ना. बिकॉज जो आपने प्लान किया होता है, आप खुद 10 बजे पहुंच रहे हैं, लोग 11-12-1 बजे पहुंच रहे हैं, एंड देन यू एक्सपेक्टेड टू स्टे टिल 1 बिकॉज आपने 12 आवर्स अपनी शिफ्ट तो पूरी करनी है ना. सो दैट यूज्ड टू. सो उधर आई अपने लिए मैं इतना नहीं हूँ, बट या आई मीन लाइक आई वुड लाइक टू हैव यू नो at least a perfect kitchen.
Where are you today?
Today I am probably at a stage where I feel little anxious if something happens, और वो थोड़ी सी palpitation शुरू हो जाती है, थोड़ा सा वो hyperventilation शुरू हो जाती है, but I'm working on it, and I think I stopped exercising. I'd lost a lot of weight. I went on this keto thing. I put on some weight which I'm not happy about, and that's bothering me बहुत ज़्यादा. लेकिन उसके लिए मैं कर कुछ नहीं रही. दिमाग में सिर्फ अपने आप को गालियाँ दे रही हूँ. ये नहीं कि सुबह उठ के एक्सरसाइज कर लो. So if I go for golf, I know कि मैं चलो at least 800 steps तो मैंने आज 8,000 steps तो आज मैंने कर लिए. But I want to get back into that. I want to get back into
Are you
routine.
into yoga, meditation?
I did mindfulness, which I really enjoyed.
अच्छा.
I'd like to do it again, लेकिन again time उसके लिए नहीं, because अब ये जो एक पीरियड था जिसमें मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही थी और एक्सरसाइज भी नहीं कर रही थी और बहुत सारा खाना खा रही थी, और सडनली 5 चीज़ें एक साथ आ गई. अब उनको ख़त्म करते करते
when you say मैं इतना सारा I'm so fascinated. कि when you say बहुत सारा खाना, I am going to come to your house and I am going to see आप actually कितना, is it all here or is it वाकई on the table? I want to see it.
It's in my stomach. टेबल पे तो ऐसे खत्म हो जाता है. नहीं मैं खा सकती हूँ, बहुत खा सकती हूँ.
You love food.
I like food. हाँ actually.
And दाल चावल.
Any kind. मुझे चाइनीज, दाल चावल, मुझे आजकल this thing. You know this keto की एक recipe is called cauliflower rice. So आप cauliflower को grate, उफ, it's so delicious. लेकिन ये ना कि you're not supposed to eat too much of it. मैं पूरा बड़ा बोल बना के बैठ के खाती हूँ कि हाँ इसमें तो कोई कैलोरीज नहीं है. बकवास. But it's a very good regime, this keto that I'm following.
Have you ever thought of adopting a baby?
Earlier on, yes. मैंने कहा if I'm going to have children, then I'm going to adopt, not have, not naturally produce.
Okay.
Yeah. मैंने कहा बहुत हैं बच्चे दुनिया.
हाँ.
एक और पैदा करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
फिर वो फेज भी निकल गई.
हाँ.
अच्छा.
Because then I think जब कुछ और मैंने दोनों का हम, because my husband was a software engineer ना.
हाँ.
तो वो उसने career change किया. Came into this side of the field. So we basically started our production company together. This was in 86, I think. So वो जब काम शुरू हुआ ना, and that was our 86. What am I talking about? We started it in 96.
Yeah.
Oh no, little earlier than that.
Okay.
Little earlier than that. And we got married in 89. So you know we were newly married, and we already decided कि अगर बच्चे करेंगे भी तो not more than 5-6 years into the marriage. तो वो जब एकदम से हमारा काम शुरू हुआ ना, so then we were both working together, and initially we just did things together. So बच्चा तो equation में आता ही नहीं था ना उस वक्त. And then my brother had children, and his brother had children, and we loved those children. But then we'd hand them back to them, and we'd come home and say, "नहीं बच्चे नहीं करने." It is a responsibility.
It's a big decision वैसे in a society.
देखिए एक तो होता है ना कि हम लोग कहते हैं कि नहीं आपको होना चाहिए. नहीं, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, कोई होना नहीं चाहिए. मैंने अगर मैं उस बच्चे को एक सही तरह what's the word?
परवरिश.
हाँ, नहीं दे सकती तो फिर नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर मैं दे सकती हूँ फिर होना चाहिए. आप सिर्फ बच्चे पैदा करें और उनको you don't care about them, then there's no point of having.
Do you believe that every human being, man and woman, necessarily ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो माँ बाप बने?
नहीं. और बहुत सारे लोगों की कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन नहीं होती, लेकिन जब बच्चा हो जाता है ना तो you feel too guilty saying कि भाई I didn't want to do this. और you know आप
क्योंकि ये एक बहुत बड़ी इमोशनल एंड फिजिकल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है.
एंड आप अपनी जिंदगी यू हैव टू गिव अप योर ओन लाइफ, बिकॉज what having a child it makes you grow up. You know, in my mind I'm still 18. You know, लेकिन if I'd had kids I probably think much older, and I you know because एक तो बच्चा भी आपको बार बार कह रहा है अम्मा क्या कर रही हैं आप, you know, don't do this, don't do that. But I think that it's like anything. If you want to have a child, you must look after that child. You can't just have 12 children and not even know whether they can eat or they can't eat or whether they
go to
can
school
or anything.
And in future में you know उनकी
बस because आपको कहा हुआ है कि भाई बच्चे पैदा करने और you know आप
so एक वक्त आ गया है you feel कि दुनिया में जहाँ दो लोग जब शादी करते हैं, घर बसाते हैं, तो उन्हें सोचना चाहिए कि कितने बच्चे होने चाहिए या नहीं होने चाहिए.
और अगर आपने बच्चे पैदा करने हैं, आपने एक प्लान के साथ पैदा करने हैं कि भाई मैं इसको अच्छी एजुकेशन दे सकती हूँ, मैं इसको अच्छा खाना,
मैं कितना अफोर्ड कर सकता हूँ, कर सकती हूँ.
Yes, starting from your pampers. I mean it's a cost. Starting from your hospital bills and all, it's a full cost. So meaning I don't mean it should be mechanical. बिल्कुल नहीं. I know there are many people who just feel कि you know we are fine, बच्चे हो जाएंगे सब कुछ सही हो जाएगा. I don't think that way. It's just it's a personal thought, but I think yes.
So how do you handle जब लोग इतने आगे पीछे पूछते रहते हैं ये सवाल कि
मैं बस कह देती हूँ कि नहीं हुआ, then वो दुआ देते हैं, फिर मैं कहती हूँ thank you.
Okay. But it was you decided. ये एक decision था कि हम नहीं. How did your parents take it?
My parents were not too upset. Kuchu's parents were upset, especially his mom.
Okay.
She would like to have seen a grandchild. Yeah. She was a little. वो तो जब भी हम whenever we'd go and visit, तो uncle would pass her, you know, he would say something. But like I said, you know, both of us had to think that way. Otherwise, अगर एक सोचता होता तो ना होता.
Because you know constantly आपसे एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है ना, तो मैं खुद समझती हूँ ये कि all men and women are not cut out to be parents, because ये बहुत बड़ी बहुत भारी जिम्मेदारी है, और हो सकता है आप एक अच्छी जॉब ना कर सके क्योंकि ये सिखाता तो नहीं है ना कोई. there are no schools parenting के लिए कोई सिखाता, so you make so many mistakes and you आपके बच्चे बड़े हो के कुछ कभी बहुत अजीबोगरीब इंसान भी बन जाते हैं बिकॉज आप सही पेरेंट नहीं थे. तो ये एक ऐसी जिम्मेदारी है जिसको वाकई बहुत सोच समझ के यू नो कबूल करना चाहिए और एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए. एब्सोल्युटली. और जरूरी नहीं है
आर द फ्यूचर. और आप अगर आप एक रिटार्डेड फ्यूचर पैदा कर रहे हैं जस्ट बिकॉज आपने पैदा करना है, यू नो, देन तो देयर इज नो पॉइंट. आई मीन आप जब तक उनको कोई सॉलिड एजुकेशन नहीं देंगे एंड देखिए ना, आप आप अपनी लाइफ कैसे बेहतर करते हैं बाय सैक्रिफाइसिंग. ठीक है, instead of having 12 children, have 6, then have 2, then you know you're giving them a good education, you can afford to send them to school, you can afford to do, then that child is going to bring home money because usko ek achhi job milegi, wo apne bachchon ko, you know, so that's how you know lives change. लेकिन हम जब 12-13 बच्चे पैदा कर रहे हैं बिकॉज हमारे सर्टन लोग हमें बता रहे हैं कि नहीं ये करना है. यो जस्ट बिग ओवर पॉपुलेटेड कंट्री है जिसमें आधे दे आर स्टार्विंग, खाना नहीं है, यू नो,
पढ़ाई नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है.
इट्स नॉट राइट. आई डोंट थिंक. आई थिंक it's cruelty to children rather than you know to.
You've seen death very close, you know, you both your parents आपके पास आपके you know हाथों से गए. क्या है मौत? आप क्या समझते हो ये क्या है? हम इतने अमेजिंग लोग, अमेजिंग दिमाग, अमेजिंग लाइव्स, एंड सडनली
you're gone.
What is death?
Death is final. That's it. It's final. I mean, मैं कहती हूँ the one thing in life guarantees is death. Otherwise, even coming into life, there's no guarantee. But death is a guarantee. And I think we take it too lightly. From the point of view is that we don't. Well, we क्या मैं कोई भाषण तो नहीं देना, but I think we can live our life in a much more responsible way, or
to be ready for going away.
Yeah, because it's the only life you're going to get. इससे ज़्यादा तो हमें नहीं, हम ये नहीं कि हम वापस आ रहे हैं, हम नहीं आ रहे वापस. That's it, it's final.
और ये लाइफ मर्द और औरत दोनों की है.
हाँ,
ये नहीं कि सिर्फ मर्द की लाइफ है,
नहीं, किसी
है ना,
हर
दोनों की है, और दोनों ने भरपूर जीनी है, जिम्मेदारी के साथ जीनी है, और ऑफ कोर्स उसका मजा भी लेना है, उसको
और अगर आप रास्ते में आपको अच्छाई करते हुए जाएंगे तो यू नो either your name will live on or it won't live on, you know.
So do you ever think about it कि आप
death
कि कहाँ जाते हैं, क्या होगा, what is it?
I do think about, I don't know.
Do you read about it? Do you ponder?
My only fear
Are you scared?
Yes. I'm not scared of dying. I'm scared of being in a coffin and waking up because someone didn't make sure that I was dead. मुझे इसका डर है. Because it's a big fear with me. It's I think claustrophobic का एक वो है ना. तो मैंने तो कुछ उसे एक और फॉर्म ऑफ बेरियल मांगा है जो शायद वो ना दे सके मुझे, लेकिन मैंने कहा लेकिन फिर तुम मुझे कोल्ड स्टोरेज में एटलीस्ट 2 महीने रखना
कि मैं उठ के बैठ ना जाऊं.
हाँ, कहीं ना कहीं ऐसे ना हो कि मैं बहुत डर लगता है.
बट कितना मजा नहीं आएगा कि उठ के बैठ गया. लोग
नॉट इन द कॉफन,
कितने लोगों के ग्राउंड, कितने सारे लोगों के साथ हुआ है.
नहीं
कि लोग उठ गए हैं.
बट मीनिंग जब कब्र में तो नहीं थे ना,
पता नहीं.
नहीं प्लीज बेचारे, अनलेस किसी ने उनके साथ जुल्म किया हो. लेकिन अदरवाइज,
लेकिन हाँ ये फियर तो है.
हाँ, सो मुझे बस डेथ का फियर नहीं है. देखिए
उठ के बैठ जाने
as long as आप वायलेंट डेथ ना हो, अगर होगी तो उसका भी आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन ना हो तो बेहतर है. पीसफुल हो, उसका fear नहीं है, वो तो जाना है. Meaning ये जैसे मैंने कहा, ये तो एक guarantee है आपकी life में. एक ही certainty है. The only certainty in life is that you are going to die.
Will लिख लिया? लिख के रख दिया?
लिख सकते हैं हम लोग.
हाँ, will
मुस्लिम लॉ में.
ये क्यों नहीं किया कि मेरी बिल्लियाँ कहाँ हैं?
हाँ, वो तो हाँ. नहीं, I think मैं अपनी बिल्लियों को before anything happens, I will give them a goodbye पहले से. हाँ, अभी हम अपनी population कम भी कर रहे हैं. You know, we are trying to, जैसे I've got 2 old cats, तो वो चली जाएंगी, फिर मैं हमारे पास 4 बिल्लियाँ रह जाएंगी, उनमें से भी बुढ़ी हो जाएंगी. तो अभी हम प्लान नहीं कर रहे कि हम
और नहीं रख रहे हो.
The only thing I would like to keep is a dog. लेकिन again because मैं घर पे नहीं होती, then अगर हम कनाडा जाते हैं तो वो अकेला होता है. और बिल्ली, it's not like cats somehow survive because एक तो you know they're वो जगह से ज़्यादा
मानूस होती हैं.
और कुत्ते आपसे होते हैं. सो वो भी एक रेजिस्टेंस में रख रही हूँ कि अभी और नहीं रखनी.
अच्छा, अभी और क्या करना है? मरीना ने
फिल्म बनानी है,
डायरेक्ट करनी है.
हाँ,
तो फिर तो बिल्कुल बनानी है
ना.
दिस इज द राइट टाइम,
है ना. दिस इज द राइट टाइम.
कैसी फिल्म बनाओगे?
रोमांटिक कॉमेडी.
मैं होंगी उसमें?
बिल्कुल.
फिर तो मैं बहुत सारी मेहनत करूँगी. मोटी चाहिए या दुबली चाहिए?
वो हम देख लेंगे. We will write in the characters as we,
है ना.
हाँ. I'd love to do a film before I die. एक तो
बिल्कुल करनी चाहिए, बिल्कुल करनी चाहिए. And I really wish you luck.
Thank you.
That you make your film.
I hope so.
And you make an amazing film because I can see it. That it's going to be a fun film. It's going to be a beautiful film.
I hope
with
so.
everybody looking absolutely gorgeous.
Yes.
And most amazing
songs and
music.
dances,
At least 14 गाने.
Easily.
और 6 डांस.
है
ना. और कुछ उदास गाने भी.
हाँ, बिल्कुल
वाले ना.
बिल्कुल.
खिड़की पे खड़े हो.
बारिश
भी.
I want to make a पुरानी Pakistani film, you know, like bring that romance back into.
Yeah, why not? Why not another Arman?
है ना? Why not?
Why not?
What a movie.
Why not? I wish you luck. And thank you so much.
Oh, it's been fun.
Thank you, my darling.
It's been like a chit chat rather than anything. Sorry, जाने से पहले just want to say Zahin Taira has left us today, and our heart goes out to her, and just to say कि you know it's you know, what a young soul, what a lovely soul, what amazing plays that she's done and left us with.
And you know, मैं सोची थी वो कितनी amazing journey है उनकी, और उन्होंने कितना मजा किया होगा, है ना. वो टाइम टेलीविजन का जहाँ it was like a family. बज्जिया के plays और हसीना के plays, and you know those were the times when everybody was actually celebrating. Constant celebration on the set and happiness and joy.
And like I say, she still enjoyed doing it. You know, it wasn't ke.
And I love the way she would dress up.
Oh, she loved her makeup. She loved her little balis.
And the flowers.
So it's a sad day today, but I think for what she's done, and you know, I think one should celebrate her life rather than be sad about her.
No, जो भी उनसे मिला
है ना,
उसके दिल में उनके लिए बहुत प्यार है, और बहुत प्यारी कोई ना कोई प्यारी बात है. You know, she was that kind of a woman that everybody went away with something special about her. कि उन्होंने मेरा ये कहा, या मेरे लिए ये कर दिया, या मुझे ये कह दिया. So it's special. She was special.
It is, and she will be missed.
Yeah, she will be missed.
Absolutely.
Yes, I can still remember her. When she and I worked, I remember.
I remember. I mean, recently I just did a play with her, but Khuda Ki Basti mein, I just can't forget that amazing character that she. It's such a strong, such lovely roles, strong characters, amazing. And you know, into the whole. Khuda Ki Basti for me was real. You know, when I used to watch it, it was like it was actually happening. These were characters who were living that life.
था ही सब इस तरह का कि you were never part of the crowd. You were always an individual, and everybody was an individual. वो ज़माना था ऐसा. And may she rest in peace.
May she rest in peace.
And big hugs to her. Her soul.
Yes.
And thank you.
Thank you. It's been fun.
It was fun.